Good day, everyone. I am Brittany Batu, proudly affiliated with Colegio de Santa Rita de San Carlos Incorporated, and currently pursuing my master's degree at University of Negros Occidental Recoletos. Today, I am pleased to present the result of my capstone project entitled Automated Grading System with Student Performance Analytics. This project aims to address the key challenges in traditional grading and provide innovative solutions to enhance academic efficiency and decision making. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing teaching and learning processes. One significant advancement is the use of automated grading system combined with student performance analytics. Automated grading system coupled with student performance analytics are transforming education globally. This system enhances the efficiency and consistency of grading by evaluating large volume of student work. Also by making assessment process faster, more accurate, and consistent. Traditionally grading large volume of student work is a time-consuming and can be prone to human error and inconsistency. This reduces the manual effort required from educators, allowing them to focus more on instructional activities and personalized student support. Automated system alleviates this burden by efficiently processing numerous assignment quizzes or exam with precision, reducing the manual workload for educators. This efficiency allows teachers to dedicate more of their time and energy toward instructional activities such as lesson planning, individual student support, and fostering critical thinking skills rather than spending hours on the grading task. Integrating performance analytics further expands these benefits by offering comprehensive insights into students' performance. Educators can identify trends, pinpoint areas for improvement, and tailor their teaching strategies to meet individual student needs. Successful implementation requires addressing challenges such as ensuring technological infrastructure, safeguarding data privacy, and promoting equitable access to the technology. By navigating these challenges, schools worldwide can leverage automated grading systems and performance analytics to enhance the quality and effectiveness of education. This research helps bridge the gaps in education in performance analytics, which can inform policymakers and educators about systematic issues and areas needing attention, guiding resource allocations and intervention strategies to improve overall educational quality. In the Philippines, adopting automated grading system combined with student performance analytics is gaining traction to improve educational outcome and streamline administrative tasks. Building on the growing importance of the automated grading system in education, it is crucial to understand how these technologies are evaluated and implemented effectively. Automated grading system with student performance analytics was evaluated through a survey-based approach involving selected respondents and support by comprehensive software testing. Respondents assessed by key features such as user-friendliness, interactivity, comparability, compatibility, and adaptability using a 5-point POMIL scale. Their feedback highlighted strong usability and functionality across the various software, quality attributes including operability, communications, and expandability. The system includes critical safety and security features such as data backup and secured structured installation protocols using tools like SAMP, GET, and Composer. By this, automated grading system is automatically calculates student grades based on customizable weight percentage. This minimizes manual computation errors and saves significant teacher time. Web-based access control or web-based access enables access across devices and location, whether offline or via network or local network or online via internet deployment. Analytics and reporting offers a real-time insight into student performance trends and grading distribution through visual dashboard and exportable reports. To assess the effectiveness and usability of the system, a survey-based evaluation complemented by comprehensive software testing was conducted, and the feedback from the survey respondents and testing revealed significant improvements in the grading system process and academic decision making. The implementation of this system in Colegio de Santa Rita de San Carlos successfully addressed the key challenges of traditional grading schemes by streamlining the grading processes and enhancing data accuracy and efficiency. Performance analytics emerged as one of the most impactful features as it enabled the generation of comprehensive reports and real-time tracking of student performance, which educators were able to identify learning gaps more quickly, and intervene tailored instructional strategies, thereby improving learning outcomes. These analytics empower data driven decision making, which contributes to a more personalized and student centered educational approach. These systems, web-based platform, prove effective in providing universal accessibility across devices, ensuring both students and faculty could utilize the platform regardless of location or device type. Automated grading system student performance analytics was further assessed through user surveys and through software testing, involving teachers, administrators, registrars, and students navigating the systems to evaluate its effectiveness, usability, and security. Overall, the automated grading system not only improved grading processes but also fostered a data-driven culture in academic decision-making at Colegio de Santa Rita. The system performance was further analyzed against the predefined requirements to validate its reliability and scalability. For its user-friendliness, this assesses how many is for users to operate the system and how easy for the users to operate the systems, which the average score here was 4.55 out of 5, meaning users found that the app is highly intuitive and easy to use. For its compatibility, this measures whether the software runs well on the various devices and platforms. Scores for operability and consistency average 4.34, rated as good. Interactivity, these features allows users to interact effectively with the systems and each other. Scored 4.73, which is excellent, showing users found that the system simple and very communicative. With its dynamic environment, the system interface updates dynamically based on the progress or changes, making experience more engaging and responsive. This had an average score of 4.69, which is excellent, indicating strong performance, operability, expandability, reachability to add new features, and modularity, organized components. For its safety and security, emphasize safeguarding data integrity and privacy through backup, SQL code export, secure installation processes using SAMP, Composer, Get, and PHP, and a strong protocol to prevent unauthorized access. For its quality, software quality attributes, K-metric includes operability, which is 4.43, training 4.49, communications 4.85, simplicity 4.47, expandability 4.9, modularity 4.8, and consistency 4.2, which reflects or reflecting a user-friendly, adaptable, and maintainable system. To better understand the impact of automated grading system with student performance analytics, a data analysis of the result was conducted. This study presents the development of implementation of an automated grading system with student performance analytics at Colegio de Santa Rita, aiming to address inefficiencies in traditional grading methods. The system automates grade calculation, delivers insightful performance analytics, and secure data through role-based access control. The system operates both online and offline, offering flexibility for educators and students. The research explores its design, operational environments, and key features such as automated grading, data preservation, and security measures. The system was evaluated for performance, scalability, and security to meet institutional needs with recommendation for smooth implementations, and it improves grading efficiency and support data-driven educational decisions. Based on this finding, the study concludes that automated grading system and performance analytics offer substantial benefits in educational settings. This study developed and implemented an automated grading system with student performance analytics at Colegio de Santa Rita to improve traditional grading inefficiencies. The system automates grades calculation, provides performance insight, and secures data with role-based access control. It works both online and offline, offering flexibility for users. Key features, performance, scalability, and security were evaluated to ensure institutional needs are met, with recommendations for hardware and software to enhance grading methods decision making. However, it's important to consider certain limitations that may affect the generalizability of this result. The system restricts module customization to ensure stability, with only the development team allowed to make advancement or advanced changes. It also lacks of full support for automated integration or large-scale data migration with external school systems due to current resource and time limitations. The system offline mood limits features like syncing data, updates, and backups requiring internet access for full functionality. Despite of this limitation, the study provides a valuable insight for the educational institution seeking to enhance grading and student performance monitoring. The system automates grade calculation, significantly reducing teachers' workload and minimizing human error. This allows educators to focus more on teaching and student engagement. Real-time performance analytics help teachers identify learning gaps, adjust strategies, and provide timely feedback, which leading to improved academic performance and more informed decision making. With offline functionality, strong, secure through role-based access control, and a user-friendly interface, with a system adaptable to various school sizes and environments, ensuring smooth adoptions with minimal training. So future research could explore advancement of features such as predictive analytics, integrations with broader educational technologies, with future visions of the system should integrate advanced analytics tools such as predictive modeling and trend analysis. To maximize the system's effectiveness, comprehensive training must be provided for both teachers and students. Ongoing monitoring and periodic audits should be conducted to ensure compliance with data privacy regulations like GDPR and FERPA. These are the reference cited for this capstone. That concludes my presentation. Thank you all for your time and attention. I truly appreciate your interest and hope this discussion has been insightful. Have a great day ahead. Thank you for listening.